If none of the unclogging methods restore proper flushing, treat the issue as a persistent siphon or flow problem that requires targeted inspection and corrective steps. First, check for mineral buildup in the bowl rim and siphon jets by running a full tank flush while applying a descaling solution around the rim and into the jets. Remove the tank lid and inspect the tank interior for worn or misadjusted parts, then confirm the flapper seats fully and the flush valve is unobstructed. While the tank is open, pour a diluted bleach mixture or 1 part household bleach to 10 parts water down the overflow tube to disinfect and help dissolve organic residue, but do not use concentrated bleach and avoid mixing chemicals. If the bowl still fails to create a strong siphon, measure water level in the tank and adjust the fill valve so the water rests at the marked fill line or 1/4 inch below the overflow tube top. Low tank water reduces flush power. Next, use a plastic closet auger to gently clear the trap and siphon area by rotating clockwise and retracting slowly to avoid scratching porcelain. If resistance is deep and immovable, stop and call a plumber. Finally, inspect for systemic plumbing issues like partial blockages in the waistline, venting problems that prevent proper airflow, or a failing sewer lateral by observing multiple fixtures and sewer odor or slow drainage elsewhere. Common mistakes include assuming the clog is only in the bowl and repeatedly using chemical drain cleaners, which can damage seals and fixtures. Instead, stop harsh chemicals and perform mechanical clearing and visual tank checks. Another frequent error is ignoring low tank water height, which reduces flush force. Correct the fill valve or replace the valve assembly and confirm the refill tube directs into the overflow tube. People also overlook venting or sewer line problems when multiple drains are slow or gurgle. If multiple fixtures are affected or odors persist, schedule a professional inspection with camera diagnostics or a sewer contractor to locate and repair the issue. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work through our platform. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange troubleshooting tips, contractor experiences, and project advice.